Hello dear students, I am Dr. M.S. Vimal, Assistant Professor of English Government PG College, Nevada, MP. Today I will speak to the students of BS second year English Literature, and we will talk about William Shakespeare and his contribution as a dramatist. First of all, we introduce William Shakespeare as William Shakespeare was born on 23rd of April 1564 at Stratford-on-Avon, nearby London in England. You will see that without William Shakespeare, I think there is no imagination of English literature. Maybe it is exaggeration, but this is my personal belief. So you see, William Shakespeare is the great name in English literature as a poet and as a dramatist. As a poet, he composed 154 sonnets. Out of them, 126 sonnets have been written in the memory of W.H., his dearest and beautiful friend, and 26 in the memory of the dark lady, his beloved, and remaining 2 sonnets are concerned with Cupid, the god of love. So in all, he composed 154 sonnets, and you will see that he was a great poet, and even today he is read everywhere as a poet. Even in his plays, 50% part has been written in poetry. Okay, so here you will see William Shakespeare was born on 23rd of April 1564 in the age of Elizabeth. That time Elizabeth was the queen. And he was the son of a merchant, John Shakespeare. He was running a beautiful business of all agricultural objects. William Shakespeare in his childhood assisted to his father in his business, and he was educated not much in universities. About his education, it is said William Shakespeare had knowledge of little Latin and less Greek. You will see that such less knowledge and little knowledge have got a great fame and popularity of the world repute. In all, he composed 37 plays. Out of them, there are 5 tragedies, and King Lear, that is in your course of BS second year, is one of them. So, especially in this session, I would like to talk about the life of William Shakespeare. So, first of all, my dear students, it is necessary to advise you to pronunciate his name as Shakespeare, not Shakespeare, because generally we see most of the people, maybe they are highly educated, pronunciate his name as Shakespeare. So this is wrong and inappropriate, and this is ridiculous. Okay, so that is not Shakespeare. This is Shakespeare. Shake, Shakes. When you write shake, Shakes, you will pronunciate shake. So here you will have to say Shakespeare, not Shakespeare. That is a wrong thing. So correct if you make if you commit a mistake. So while you are pronunciating the name of William Shakespeare. So William Shakespeare was married with Anne Hathaway. She was 8 years senior to him. Okay. Anne Hathaway and William Shakespeare had 3 children, Judith, Hamnet, and Susanna. It is a wonderful thing associated with the life of William Shakespeare that he was born on 23rd of April, and same day he died on 23rd April 1616. This is an amazing incident in his life. So here you will see many things related to William Shakespeare, that he was not educated or he was not highly educated, it will be true to say, and he had little knowledge of less Greek and little knowledge of Greek and Latin. So you will see this great person has got desirable and wonderful fame and popularity in the world. Today it is advisable to you that you should go deeply through the life and works of William Shakespeare. So here you will find that King Lear is a historical play in which William Shakespeare has portrayed the life of an old king named Lear, and his foolish action and foolish decision and his damnation due to his own decision. So in detail you will see in further lectures. First of all, I would only introduce the important characters of King Lear, the play written by William Shakespeare. King Lear is the protagonist. He is the hero, man hero. Okay, and Goneril, his eldest daughter, Regan, second daughter, and Cordelia, the third daughter. Okay, and Fool and Kent and Gloucester, Edmund, Edgar, and Duke of Albany, Duke of Albany, Duke of Burgundy. Every characters will be studied thoroughly whenever we discuss this play act-wise and scene-wise. So here it's this is only for your information that in your course of BA second year, last year the Merchant of Venice was in your course, but it is changed. Now in the second unit of your paper, it will be there will be two plays of William Shakespeare. First, King Lear and the Tempest. Both are interesting. One side, King Lear is a tragedy, and other side, the Tempest is a comedy. You will be enjoying both of them in detail in the further lectures. Thank you very much.